Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Kiddipedia. Today's topic is baby bond and fetal psychology. So the question arises over here is, what is the right time of making a good bond with your baby? Answer to this question is, the very first moment when you came to know that you are a carrier of a beautiful life is the right time. That is the right time when you can share a bond with your baby. You can start creating a bond with your baby by telling him that how happy you are, how excited you are to take the little bundle of joy in your arms. People around you will start telling you, be happy, be calm, stay positive, think well. But nobody will tell you how. See, we have to understand fetal psychology from now. We have to understand that not only the brain is developing, even the mind is developing with it. The attitudes are developing. The complete belief system is developing. Not only the body, the complete personality is taking shape. This is the very big myth that we understand that baby in womb is not listening, or what is happening around he is not understanding. Here, I would take you to the ancient times. I'll take an example of Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna and Subhadra. How he learned things in the womb and used it in his life. So what we have to do for our baby in womb? We have to start reading good books. Start listening to good and soft music. Start rubbing your palm to your baby bump. It will give a gentleness and positivity to your baby inside. Start writing baby journals. And try to do all these activities at the same time regularly. By doing this, you are creating a discipline in your baby. Always try to keep yourself unaffected with the negativity around you. I'm not saying by doing all these things your pregnancy journey will become very easy and smooth. No. Challenges can come on your way. Sometimes you might feel morning sickness, cravings, mood swings, other sicknesses. Everything will come on your way. But you have to decide how nicely, smartly, positively and calmly you are dealing with all these situations. The way you will deal with this situation, your baby will automatically learn to deal situations come in his life. So start doing all these things from now if you are a carrier of a beautiful life. Thank you for now. Stay tuned for more updates and videos. Bye bye.